just cut a circular saw real quick. Let's see if that works. Sweet. Sweet. Alright, so I want to line these up with that line if I can. I don't know if I can. There's like a little line on the actual window itself. If it works, it does. If it doesn't, it doesn't. We're gonna have to split the difference. This isn't quite wide enough to do that, but that's alright. Yes. I can probably get a level or something to make sure these are plumb, but if you watch any of my videos, I pick and choose when I care about that. You should care about it, but I don't. I just kind of look like this the whole time. And if the whole house isn't level, then you won't even notice it. Alright, so that'll fit. I think. That's a long nail. Or at least maybe I thought they were long nails, but they're not. No. Hopefully I don't break anything. Shouldn't, it's all wood. Now, I knew it was gonna happen. There's like kind of no point in lining everything up. I just knew that was going to happen. I'm gonna do the small nail for that. Mainly because I don't want to waste the bigger ones. I'm cheap. You know, I don't even know if these are long enough. I should be. these two right here are gonna bother me, but I'll get to those eventually. So I'm just gonna caulk. These need a lot of cleaning up before we can paint. And these probably got paint because I hate painting. But came out all right. I was trying to show you closer some of the things that are gonna kind of eat me up. So we got that corner, which will forever bother me because it's terrible. That one was the start of it because I messed up this one. This is fine. That doesn't bother me. I'm just gonna caulk it. That's the best I'm gonna do. And then these are just gonna have to get cleaned up, caulked. But yeah, it's a lot better than what we had. Show you, I think there's another video. These are the other ones. Flies love them right now. They gotta be cleaned. But it comes out pretty good. I gotta fix some of the caulking right there. I missed some caulking right there. But yeah, it'll come out pretty good. So I'm gonna leave for a little bit. I'm just gonna caulk them and rub my hair down. Yeah, Denise will be happy. Bye.